How to fix password incorrect error on Gmail login. Let's get started. Launch your Mail app. Now click on the option of Google. Now go ahead and type in the email or phone number linked with your account. I'm going to type in the email address, then click on Next. Now click on the option of Forget Password. If you're logged in with this email account in another device, you're going to get this kind of pop-up. You have to head towards that device, launch your Gmail, and then click on this code 16. In the case you don't have access to that phone, what you can do is you can click on the option of I don't have my phone. With that, you're going to get other options for the account recovery. You'll need to answer some security questions, or you'll be receiving code in your secondary email address that is linked with your email, or you will be getting code in the phone number that is linked with your account. Once you verify that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily fix password incorrect error on Gmail login. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.